Why you need 1000 ICP. Let's jump into it, guys. So, looking at the ICP charts, it is a coin that a lot of people love and also a lot of people hate because a lot of people got burnt back in 2021 when it absolutely just dropped out the sky. But it's a coin which I still believe has got quite a bit of potential as we are heading closer into the bull market. Again, highly anticipated. But when we look at it at the moment, ICP is currently sitting at the $4.30 mark with a relatively low market cap of 2.3 billion and ranked now in the top 50 of all the coins in the crypto industry. So before we jump into that, guys, I just need to quickly mention there's a quick disclaimer here, guys. Please read this with care. This video is not financial advice. Crypto is volatile and highly risky. No results are guaranteed. This content is for experienced users only, and there's a full legal disclaimer in the description below. So ICP is one of those coins that I was in back in 2022. I accumulated some throughout the bear market and ended up selling some in 2024 when I funneled those into some other coins that I really liked. But it's not a coin at the moment that I'm currently in, but it is a coin that I'm currently just watching and seeing how it performs and kind of all the data and all the kind of developments that are going on. So when we look at ICP at the moment, guys, I want to show you that the trading volume has now surpassed $74 million, which I thought was pretty impressive, and I don't think that many people are really talking about that at the moment. So I think as this number continues to increase, and where it is at the moment, I still think it's pretty positive. I think that more people are going to start to see it. There'll be more eyeballs on ICP. I think that if we can see the number of trading volume increase, because as these numbers start to get bigger and bigger, it becomes harder and harder to ignore, right? So for me, when I see this, it's showing that people are actively using the blockchain, because why would trading volume for a coin, why would people be using it if they didn't believe in the long-term use case? Not obviously guaranteed that they're going to execute on everything that they want to, but there are quite a few things that they have been doing in the last year, couple of years. So I will jump into that in just a moment. But for me, it's good to see that people are actively using the blockchain and that they ultimately believe in ICP. And I suppose the big comeback is what I'd say. But yeah, looking at ICP, and to be honest, this is quite a consistent theme that I am seeing for ICP when I'm looking through Twitter and I'm looking for information, and this is quite recently, as of the 16th of September, and that is that ICP is actually quite consistently ranking highly in the most active cryptos based on GitHub data. It's positive to see, although it has gone down monthly, we're seeing that it is quite significantly higher than quite a lot of the other coins out there, especially as we start to go down the list. And these are top coins out here, likes of Bitcoin, Chainlink, Ethereum, sort of Near Protocol, in all different kind of categories of crypto. We're seeing that in this case, ICP is trumping them, and I think that this is important. Again, not something that a lot of people are talking about, but when it comes to coins doing well and sentiment around it, these are all small wins, and when we add all the small wins up together, hopefully we can find that ICP has set itself up for a good position. When we talk about that, let's put that in place. Green tick for ICP. Next thing I want to mention is that I think it's really important to show you that there are some absolutely crazy price predictions out there, and this isn't me being a hater on ICP, because it's a coin which obviously I've been in and I'm watching and I think does have potential. But when we see here that people are saying that ICP is going to hit $420 to $1,000 this cycle, I think that that is just absolute crazy. I think that's madness. When we look at the market cap, it's not possible. I think that $1,000 is absolutely ridiculous. I mean, we would all be millionaires, right, with just a little bit of money sitting at the current price point that it is at the moment. But doesn't mean I don't think that ICP can do well. I just think it's very important when you see a lot of price predictions out there that you can kind of take it with a pinch of salt. Okay, he thinks it can go that high, but realistically, can it? Not with the market cap, but it's still got a good potential. So just be aware of that when you're looking online. And I want to also show you the recent integration of ICP and Caffeine in terms of what it's going on and how it can do. So Caffeine, essentially, if you guys don't know, is an AI-powered developer platform built on ICP. It lets people build blockchain apps using natural language prompts instead of needing deep coding skills. So this is definitely beneficial for those who are trying to get involved in ICP. And think of it as a no-code / lower code layer that combines AI and blockchain. So even non-devs can launch dApps, NFTs, and smart contracts. Essentially, this is making it a little bit more user-friendly for those who are wanting to get into ICP and essentially build on the network. So again, to summarize, Caffeine is AI code, lets people build on there. Really, really good to see it's coming into this AI and Web3 kind of narrative, which is quite bullish, in my opinion. As well as this, it also has a lower barrier to entry. It's going to be helpful in boosting ecosystem growth, and it also ties at the same time ICP to the hot AI and blockchain narrative. So when you combine quite a few of these things together, the fact that you think ICP, okay, it's got stepping into new narratives, it's got some, more development going on, it's got quite a lot of people looking at it. I think that 1,000 ICP may well be a decent investment to have, but again, there's no guarantees that ICP can perform super well. So hopefully this video has provided you with some value, and thank you very much for watching.